Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the gossip quest about Princess Stella. That in this gossip quest, you need to feed your cat with the fish jerky, energy fish jerky. So first just meet the Mrs. Joanne and then just accept the quest. After that, just go to your home to meet your cat. And first just go play with your cat to make cat energy decrease like this. Just play with your cat and then just repeat these steps for 2 until 3 times until the cat's energy has decreased like this. It's already decreased, and after that just fed the cat with the energy fish jerky like this, and then just tap on feed and your quest will be complete like this. The gossip quest about Princess Stella will be complete like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.